So hello friends, I have uploaded a video on Coal India Limited already short notice के ऊपर. Now we are going to discuss in detail number of vacancy and all details. So please watch the video till end for all details and let's start the video friends. So here you can see recruitment of management trainees through GATE 2021. Now CIL, that is Coal India Limited, is a Maharatnak public sector unit, that is PSU, and number of vacancies are very high. Here you can see almost 500 plus vacancies are there for mining, electrical, mechanical, civil, industrial and geology. Important dates यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं. ओपनिंग डेट फॉर ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन 10/8/2021 10 AM and last date 9/9/2021 12 PM. Okay. Now for detailed instruction available on this website, please refer. And here you can see the requirement. So BTech, BE, BSc engineering with relevant minimum 60% marks and relevant branch like mining के लिए mining के अंदर, electrical के लिए electrical के अंदर. For geology, for MSc, MTech in geology, that master degree is required with minimum 60%. Again for OBC, basically scheduled caste, I can say economically weaker section or other category. Basically there is a shortage of percentage marks, like here you can see relaxation of 5% is given to the minimum qualifying marks for SC, ST and PWD candidates. Now candidate who have completed their degree with the minimum qualification appeared or appearing in final semester, time semester and trim semester and will pass out in academic year 2020 are eligible. Okay, so final year students are eligible. This is very good news, I can say. Okay. So here you can see however candidate who appeared or appearing in final semester, trimester in academic year 2021 shall submit final result of minimum required qualification by 30/9/2021. So यहाँ तक आपका इस डेट तक आपको qualification degree वगैरह है जो complete हो जाना चाहिए. Okay, now I can say clarification of a relevant branch, like here you can see that in electrical, if you are basically BTech from electrical, then you are eligible. Electric and electronics, then you are eligible. Electronics and engineering, okay, then you are eligible. Not eligible branches, these are the branches. Suppose mechanical के अंदर only mechanical, civil के अंदर only civil, industrial engineering only industrial. Now category wise vacancies are given here, so you can see according to your category. And selection process, here you can see eligible candidate must have appeared for GATE 2021. So 2020 is not eligible. Based on GATE 2021 marks score requirement, candidate will shortlist discipline wise, category wise in a ratio of 1:1.5. What is the meaning of this? That if 50 vacancies are there, then 75 candidates are called for further selection process. Now what is the meaning of further selection process? It may be interview only, it may be interview plus GD only. These are the basically I can say steps. The final merit list be prepared for each discipline on the basis of GATE 2020 marks or score. Please note that the management training require GATE 2021 Coal India Limited GATE score will only be valid and GATE 2020 or prior will not be valid. Okay. Now application fees 1000 plus GST 180 totaling rupees this. Okay, so I can say 1180 rupees, and for SC/ST another candidates are exempted. So this is I think good, not good actually. Okay, for general, EWS, OBC very high fees, and for SC/ST there is no fees. So I think there is basically some बीच में कुछ फीस होनी चाहिए. चलो अब क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें. Okay, upper age limit, again upper age limit 30 year as on 4th August 2021 for general, EWS, and for OBC 3 year. Okay, 3 year I say age relaxation. For SC/ST 5 year, and for person with the disability these are the age relaxation as per the Government of India rule. Again reservation and relaxation Government of India rules के जो हैं उनके अकॉर्डिंग है. अदर डिटेल्स पे स्केल वगैरह आपका जो भी यहाँ पे मिलेगा उसके रिगार्डिंग डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे, बिकॉज वो आपको मिल ही जाएगा जो अगर आपका सिलेक्शन होगा. Service bond, appointment of candidates are required to serve company with minimum 60 months. Okay, that is I can say 12 year from the date of joining of company. The candidate will required to execute a service agreement bond of 3 lakh plus GST. मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन आपका वो जो मेडिकल नॉर्मल होता है वही होगा. एंड दीज आर द डॉक्यूमेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड, आई कैन से जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस एंड डेट्स वगैरह हमने यहाँ पे डिस्कस कर लिया है. ओके, सो फ्रेंड्स दिस इज ऑल अबाउट नोटिफिकेशन. आई होप यू लाइक द नोटिफिकेशन. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब योर पीडी एजुकेशन चैनल इफ यू वांट डेली अपडेट्स. एंड वी हैव बेसिकली स्टार्टेड ए न्यू चैनल ऑल्सो फॉर नॉन टेक्निकल अपडेट्स एंड प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर एंड फ्री प्रिपरेशन, that is your PDA job update and preparation. Link provided in the description. You can share, like and subscribe that channel also. Thank you very much and be prepared and good luck for your upcoming future. Thank you very much.